Nature Care for Diabetes 1 and 2. Recipes: 1 cinnamon sticks, Iji patai/oloron. 2 Aden tree, Tetrapleura tetraptera, Aden fruit and stem bark. 3 scent/basil leaf, Ocimum basilicum, Ephenrin. 4 oregano leaves, Origanum vulgar. 5 Indian gooseberry, Phyllanthus amarus, dried uino lobe. 6 black seeds oil, Nigella sativa, Soa zophiage. How to make: get the cinnamon sticks, Iji patai/oloron, together with Aden tree fruit and stem bark, Tetrapleura tetraptera, scent/basil leaf, Ocimum basilicum, Ephenrin, oregano leaves, Origanum vulgar, Indian gooseberry, Phyllanthus amarus, dried uino lobe. Cut them into pieces. Dry them properly. Grind them into powder. Take 1 teaspoonful of the powder in warm water every morning and afternoon for 45 days. Along with this, get the black seed oil, and take 1 teaspoonful every night for 45 days. Traces and symptoms of diabetes should vanish if followed. Cinnamon. It has been used as an ingredient throughout history, dating back as far as ancient Egypt. It used to be rare and valuable and was regarded as a gift fit for kings. These days, cinnamon is cheap, available in every supermarket and found as an ingredient in various foods and recipes. There are 2 main types of cinnamon, 1 trusted source. Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon, the more common variety today and what people generally refer to as cinnamon. Cinnamon is made by cutting the stems of cinnamon trees. The inner bark is then extracted and the woody parts removed. When it dries, it forms strips that curl into rolls, called cinnamon sticks. These sticks can be ground to form cinnamon powder. The distinct smell and flavor of cinnamon are due to the oily part, which is very high in the compound cinnamaldehyde, 2 trusted source. Scientists believe that this compound is responsible for most of cinnamon's powerful effects on health and metabolism. Cinnamon can improve sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Insulin is one of the key hormones that regulate metabolism and energy use. It's also essential for transporting blood sugar from your bloodstream to your cells. The problem is that many people are resistant to the effects of insulin. This is known as insulin resistance, a hallmark of serious conditions like metabolic syndrome and type 2 diabetes. The good news is that cinnamon can dramatically reduce insulin resistance, helping this important hormone do its job. 12 trusted source, 13 trusted source. By increasing insulin sensitivity, cinnamon can lower blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to significantly increase sensitivity to the hormone insulin. Aden fruit. Aden fruits belong to the pea family and are native to West Africa. It is scientifically known as Tetrapleura tetraptera and hailed as wonder fruit by many. The fruit has a distinctive aroma that wards off insects. It is mainly used as a spice, dietary supplement, or medicine in many West African homes. What is the use of Aden fruit? Aden fruits contain key minerals and vitamins such as zinc, iron, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. These essential minerals and vitamins help to optimize the body immune system. They protect the body against viruses, regenerate blood cells, and ensure optimal performance of our bones and muscles. Basil leaves? One of the oldest herbs known to the mankind, basil's healing and healthful properties have been the most treasured knowledge across the world. Closer home, holy basil is revered for its strong medicinal and healing properties. One can still see basil plants outside many Indian households, even outside the clamped urban flats. Holy basil is offered to gods in the form of prasad. Some say that it is prohibited to even chew the holy basil leaves, one is supposed to swallow it at one go. Basil forms an intrinsic part of various curries and stews. There are significant botanical differences in various types of basil plants. The many varied species of basil include sweet basil, lemon basil, Italian or curly basil, holy basil, Thai basil, and lettuce leaf basil. The smell and flavor of basil vary upon the concentration of essential volatile oils present in the herb. Cinnamomate, citronellol, geraniol, linalool, pinene, and terpineol are some of the oils that one can find across all species of basil. And it is the presence of these oils that chiefly affect the medicinal benefits of basil leaves. Basil leaves are used in a variety of culinary preparations. In addition to the flavor, the culinary herb is said to preserve and enhance the properties of the food. From healthy gut to stronger immunity, benefits of basil leaves are quite a lot. Here are some you may not have known. Consumption of basil could result in slow release of sugar in the blood, which is very essential for diabetics. The herb has very low glycemic load. The essential oil present in basil also helps cut down triglyceride and cholesterol levels, which is a persistent risk factor amongst diabetics. Oregano. Oregano is a rich source of a compound called carvacrol. It is also found in many aromatic plants like thyme, bergamot, and pepperwort. Research suggests that it has therapeutic benefits and it has been used in folk medicine for many health conditions. Multiple studies show that carvacrol has potentially antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. It also helps in fighting lifestyle diseases and foodborne illnesses. Fresh oregano herb and a wooden bowl of dried oregano on a wooden table. Fresh as well as dried oregano is used in Mediterranean cuisine. Photo credit, Shutterstock. Potential antibacterial activity. Oregano may have potential antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Research published in the Process Biochemistry journal suggests that these properties may be due to the presence of thymol and carvacrol in the herb. These compounds may help defend the body against a wide range of bacteria that can affect the skin, gut, and other parts of the body. Also, a recent 2019 study showed that these compounds help to prevent Staphylococcus aureus, S. aureus, bacteria from developing in dairy and meat. Research led by the Harvard Medical School showed that the oils in oregano are able to fight against 11 microbes that had developed resistance to antibiotic drugs. While these properties of oregano and its other forms are potentially therapeutic, more research is needed to confirm if a dietary addition of this herb can be beneficial. May relieve depression. Oregano and its essential oil may help in uplifting your mood. A study conducted on rats in 2019 showed that oregano essential oil may help in reducing depressive-like behavior which results from chronic unpredictable stress, cuz. Carvacrol, found in this herb, is linked to improving dopamine levels in mice. It is also found to help generate feelings of well-being when taken on a regular basis in a low concentration. The British Journal of Nutrition also suggests that extracts made from oregano leaves may help in enhancing mental well-being. May help manage diabetes. Oregano herb can help you in managing diabetes. A 2019 study mentions some in vitro and in vivo anti-diabetic effects of this herb. It found that oregano helps in lowering high blood sugar levels. 17. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune inflammatory disorder. Research suggests that oregano extracts help to alleviate it through antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. May aid in digestion. Fiber is an essential element of a healthy digestive system, as it can increase the bulk of your stool and stimulate peristaltic motion, which moves food through the digestive tract and excretes it efficiently. Also, fiber helps maintain the health of the gut and increases nutrient uptake, so the food you eat does more for you. 19. May improve heart health. Oregano can help protect your heart. Multiple research studies show that oregano extracts may help in regulating blood pressure. It is also helpful in reducing hyperlipidemia, which is a condition characterized by high levels of fat in the blood. While many essential oils from herbs help in lowering LDL cholesterol levels, not many studies have been conducted on oregano extracts or essential oils. Possible antioxidant potential. According to a 2017 study published in the Plants Journal by a team of Mexican researchers, herbs like oregano contain flavonoids and phenolic acids that help to alleviate chronic diseases. Oregano also contains rosmarinic acid and thymol. Both of these act as powerful antioxidants that help in reducing oxidative stress in the body. Thus, adding it to your diet may help improve your immune system. Phyllanthus amarus cure? That is Indian gooseberry. Phyllanthus amarus is a common household herb. It grows 50 to 70 centimeters tall and bears ascending herbaceous branches. The bark is smooth and light green. It bears numerous pale green flowers which are often flushed with red. The fruits are tiny, smooth capsules containing seeds. Phyllanthus amarus, known as Ionolobe, belong to a genus of plant known as Phyllanthus. Another plant that belongs to the same genus is Phyllanthus neruri. Phyllanthus amarus is sometimes confused for Phyllanthus neruri because they resemble each other physically, but neruri has larger leaves and they contain some similar phytochemicals, which mean they have some similar health benefits too. The phytochemical difference is that Phyllanthus amarus has higher antioxidant activity than Phyllanthus neruri, which makes P. amarus have more health benefits. What does Phyllanthus amarus cure? Amarus also has antiseptic, diuretic, antiviral, antidiabetic, hypotensive, and antipyretic properties, and is also used in the treatment of jaundice, diarrhea, dysentery, wound, ulcers and urogenital diseases. Calixto et al., 1998, Santos et al., 1995. It is a plant long used in African herbal medicine. In the olden days, it is known to be used for the treatment of stomach ulcers, dysentery, piles, and erectile dysfunctions. Modern science and its research have shown that Phyllanthus amarus, known as Ionolobe, can do more than that. It can treat and even cure many diseases and help with a number of health conditions like bladder infections called cystitis, flu, and colds, diabetes, hepatitis B virus, kidney disorders among others. This is why uinolobe is called stonebreaker, because it is believed to remove kidney stones. Uinolobe is useful in the treatment of stomach ulcers. Treats urinary tract infections, UTI. Plants of the Phyllanthus genus are known for relieving pain, improving liver health, and boosting the immune system. Phyllanthus amarus extracts benefit the liver and protect it. Black seed oil. Black seed oil is high in antioxidants and may have several benefits for health. These include the treatment of asthma and various skin conditions, lowering blood sugar and cholesterol levels, aiding in weight loss, and protecting brain health. Yes, there are many different ways to consume or apply this wonderful gift of nature depending upon the specific health condition. But as a maintenance dose, one could safely take half a teaspoon of black seed oil with warm water every day, first thing in the morning or before sleeping.